Hello and welcome back, Lamb family. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's pouring down rain today, so I thought I'd give you guys some cleaning motivation. So I hope you enjoy.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii.
I picked up these mugs from Walmart and I thought they were so adorable. And we're going to use these for hot cocoa, and it comes with its own holder, and it's perfect because it's for my family of 4.
See, I would never do it to ya, what you did behind my back. Swear I'll never smile for ya, swear I'll never be a fool. I'ma keep me far from ya, 'cause what you did was so uncool. I'm not looking for revenge, I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, 'cause I got what I want, closure. Wasted too much heart on you. Wish I learned to use my head, 'cause right before I fell for you, I fell right into your bed. I'm not looking for revenge, I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, 'cause I got what I want, closure. You wanted her. left me hurt. But I won't cry as long as I give me some closure. Who you think you are. You're lucky that I don't. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, 'cause I got what I want, closure.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
In my living room, all I'm going to do is clean off the table, wipe it down, fix the pillows on the couch, mop and sweep the floor, and wipe down my TV stand and my TV.
Let me go, let me go, let me go.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, go, go. Let me go, go, go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on. Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go. Let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go, let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go. I told you I'm not yours, so why are you trying to hold on? I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. You are not right for me, so let go.
Now my kiddos are home from school. They're gonna make their beds and straighten up their rooms. They normally make their beds up before they go to school, but my alarm didn't go off this morning, so we ended up waking up late. So now they're gonna get that done right now.
Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah, should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah.
It went from being a very rainy day this morning, pouring down rain, to being a very beautiful sunny day. Texas. Anywho, I decided to get some clothes on and go run some errands and go eat breakfast with my husband. Now I'm back at home, so I'm just gonna tackle my bedroom. I need to wash my sheets and get the bed made, open up the blinds and curtains and let the beautiful sunshine in. I'm also gonna wipe down my vanity area in here, do a little bit of dusting in my bedroom, and I'm going to mop and sweep my vanity area in there. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'm just gonna get started in there.
Baby, I need to know if you are serious about us. Yeah, baby, your love is cold, but I don't feel the trust. Something's not adding up. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. 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 Sorry is a word to use when you don't show on time, when you go out of line. Yeah, sorry is a word of truth. It isn't always enough. Sometimes you gotta hide. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. 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 Baby, 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 baby. Now don't be dumb. No, don't be dumb. Ooh. Baby, 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 baby. Don't be dumb. No, don't be dumb. Don't be dumb, no. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb.
Now that my sheets are finally done, I'm gonna go ahead and make up my bed. Also, guys, I just wanted to mention that if you watched my messy clean with me, you noticed when I did my bedroom reveal that I had a different comforter on my bed. I decided to go back with my old comforter set only because my new one that I showed, it was very hard to sleep in and the material was very loose, so it was very hard to move around and be comfortable at night, and it just wasn't comfortable at all. So that is why I'm putting my old bedspread back on my bed.
I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it. At its limit, do you feel it? Like down, down, lost the game that I couldn't play. The memory card got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway. Yeah, 'cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah.
Okay guys, so I ended up doing something really stupid the other day. So I left the house, and when I normally leave the house, I lock the door, the bottom lock to the door, and then I walk out. But then as I got to my car, I realized that I didn't have my car keys. So I was locked outside the house. So I went around to try to get my garage door opener, and that wouldn't work either. So I ended up having to kick in my front door, and this is the result of it. So now my door frame is all messed up. So we're gonna work on getting that fixed here soon, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this mess up.
Do you feel it? Like
There really wasn't much to do in my office, so I'm just gonna straighten the pillows up on the couch and throw away a few pieces of paper.
man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Also, I really appreciate all the love and support you guys have given me so far. It means so much to me. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, loves.
Hard working every day.